What if you considered the entire world as your home, not just your country? What would change? We're diving deep into the realm of global citizenship today, a concept that pushes us to think beyond the confines of our nation-states. It challenges the very essence of our identities, urging us to look past geographical lines and national interests and view ourselves as vital threads in the global tapestry. Being a global citizen, however, isn't simply about identifying as one. It comes with its own set of responsibilities. We're tasked with acknowledging and understanding the interconnectedness of our world, respecting and upholding human rights, and striving for environmental sustainability and social justice. But with these responsibilities come unique opportunities, the chance to influence positive change, both in our local communities and on a global scale, through activism, volunteering, and advocacy. Global citizenship is more than an idea. It's a way of life that requires understanding, empathy, and action. Meet Maya, a young woman from a small town with a big vision. Maya's story is quite extraordinary. A small-town girl with a heart vast enough to embrace the world. She is a global citizen embodying the principles of human rights advocacy, environmental sustainability, and social justice. Her journey, her commitment, her actions all paint a compelling picture of what it means to be a global citizen. Maya's passion for human rights advocacy didn't bloom overnight. It was a gradual awakening, sparked by the stories she read, the news she watched, the injustices she saw unfolding around her. She began to understand that rights are not just about one person, one community, or one nation. They are universal, transcending borders and cultures. Maya took action, engaging in peaceful protests, signing petitions, and raising awareness about human rights violations locally and globally. But Maya's global citizenship doesn't stop at human rights advocacy. She is equally committed to environmental sustainability. She understands that the health of our planet is intrinsically linked to our own health and well-being. So she chooses to live sustainably, minimizing her carbon footprint and advocating for renewable energy solutions. She plants trees in her local community and educates others about the importance of conservation. She knows that every small action can contribute to a larger global impact. And let's not forget about Maya's commitment to social justice. She believes in equality, in giving everyone a fair shot at life, irrespective of their background, ethnicity, or socioeconomic status. She volunteers at local shelters, donates to causes she believes in, and uses her voice to speak up against social injustices. She knows that change begins at home, but it doesn't end there. It extends beyond her town, her country, reaching out to the far corners of the globe. Maya's story exemplifies what it means to be a global citizen, but what does it entail? As we delve deeper into this concept, we will discover that global citizenship is not just about rights, it's about responsibilities too. It's about understanding the interconnectedness of our world and playing our part in making it a better place for everyone. Being a global citizen is not just about rights, it's about responsibilities too. As global citizens, we're bound by this interconnected web that spans across countries and cultures. This web of interdependence brings with it a set of responsibilities that we must strive to fulfill. At the heart of these responsibilities is the understanding and respect for cultural diversity. Imagine Maya, a university student from the United States. During her semester abroad in India, she learned to appreciate the depth and richness of the local traditions and customs. By immersing herself in a culture different from her own, Maya demonstrated one of the key responsibilities of a global citizen: to respect and appreciate the diversity that our world has to offer. Promoting peace and sustainability is another crucial responsibility. We must advocate for peaceful resolutions to conflicts and champion efforts towards a sustainable future. Maya, for instance, joined a local nonprofit organization during her stay in India. She worked tirelessly to promote projects aimed at sustainable development and peace building. Perhaps one of the most significant responsibilities we carry as global citizens is advocating for human rights. Whether we are standing up against social injustice in our own communities or raising awareness about human rights violations happening halfway around the globe, we are fulfilling our duty as global citizens. Maya, for instance, used social media platforms to shed light on the plight of marginalized communities she encountered during her travels. These responsibilities might seem daunting at first. After all, we're talking about tackling global challenges and making a positive impact on a worldwide scale. However, it's important to remember that every small action counts. Each time we choose to respect cultural diversity, promote peace, or stand up for human rights, we are making a difference. It's true, being a global citizen comes with its fair share of responsibilities, but as Maya's story shows, it's through these responsibilities that we have the chance to truly engage with the world around us, to learn, grow, and make a positive impact. These responsibilities might seem daunting, but they also bring about numerous opportunities. With great responsibility comes great opportunity. This timeless maxim rings true for global citizens. So what are these opportunities that arise from such a profound and encompassing sense of responsibility? Let's take a look at Maya. Maya is a global citizen. She recognizes the interconnectedness of our world, and she uses that awareness to influence policy, create social change, and contribute to a more inclusive and sustainable world. One of the biggest opportunities for Maya, and indeed any global citizen, is the ability to play a part in shaping policy. Global citizens can work with organizations, lobby governments, or even run for office themselves. They can use their understanding of complex global issues to help craft solutions that are both locally relevant and globally mindful. Maya also sees the chance to create social change. She did this through activism. Remember, activism can take many forms, from attending protests and signing petitions to using social media as a platform to raise awareness. Maya used her voice and actions to stand up for what she believed in, driving change and inspiring others to do the same. Another opportunity is volunteering. Maya found that by volunteering her time and skills, she could make a direct, tangible impact in her community and beyond. Volunteering not only brings about positive change, but it also fosters a sense of connection and empathy, reinforcing the bond between global citizens and their communities. And then there's advocacy. Maya used her knowledge and passion to advocate for causes close to her heart. She spoke out against injustices, championed human rights, and pushed for environmental sustainability. Advocacy is a powerful tool in the hands of a global citizen, allowing them to amplify their voice and affect significant change on a larger scale. So, as we can see, being a global citizen opens up a world of opportunities. It's about more than just understanding our world. It's about actively participating in its betterment. It's about leveraging our collective strength to create a more equitable, just, and sustainable planet. Indeed, every challenge presents an opportunity for a global citizen. So, what's the impact of being a global citizen? Well, let's take a moment to reflect. We've journeyed through the concept of global citizenship, its responsibilities, and the opportunities it presents. At the heart of it all, we find three fundamental values: empathy, cultural awareness, and collaboration. These aren't just abstract ideas, they're practical tools for change. Empathy fuels our desire to make a difference, cultural awareness broadens our understanding, and collaboration enables us to unite our efforts. Let's not forget the ripple effect of our actions. Every decision we make, every step we take, they all impact the broader societal issues we face. Whether it's advocating for human rights, promoting environmental sustainability, or fighting for social justice, our actions as global citizens can truly shape the world. In the end, being a global citizen means making a positive difference, both locally and globally. It's a commitment to a more inclusive and sustainable world.